We are going to be reviewing this 18 pack 11 inches gift bag. So let's unbox it. Are you excited about Christmas?
Yes.
Yeah. And we have a lot of gifts that we have to make and we have to send over, and this just fixes everything. You have a pack white. What color? White colors here. You also have this one red. And then we have this one blue, and then we have another set of the white right here, and it's a different design. All of them, they have different designs. And one of my favorite things about this pack is that not only is it decorative, it has a glossy feeling. Look at it, very nice and soft. And I also like that it has tag. You do have the tags so that each person getting the gift, they will know what gift they're getting. And once you open it up, this is 11 inches, so you can store as many things as you want in there. So which one is your favorite?
This one.
That one. Yeah. And see, this one has nice Santa drawings and the reindeer. Very, very beautiful, lovely. And I like this. This one has a classic look to it. You can see. So you do get about I think 3 of each color. You have 6 sets. So all your gift needs and all your gift needs, yeah, you can fulfill them like this. I absolutely like it, and I know you will too.